Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the construction taking place of a new hospital at the Spanish Town Hospital in, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Now the government has plans to rebuild or renovate three hospitals in Jamaica. This one we're looking at, the Spanish Town Hospital, where they'll be building a six-story building. They are building new structures at the University Hospital of the West Indies, high-rise buildings, and they're also renovating the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Not Cornwall, yes, Cornwall Regional Hospital. Sorry, the second one is the hospital downtown. Kingston Public Hospital. Sorry about that. So there are three major hospital projects on the way. The Spanish Town Hospital, the Kingston Public Hospital, and the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Now, the government is spending billions of dollars to upgrade these hospitals. It's literally like they're building new hospitals, especially in the case of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Now, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening with these hospitals and also health centers. Now, as we make these videos and you see all the progress being made in Jamaica in terms of roads, highways, ports, airports, manufacturing, warehouses, people always ask, what about hospitals? Well, the government is renovating, or I would just say rebuilding, the three largest hospitals. Well, three off because UA is one of them as well. And they also have a major construction project going on up at UA. Not sure if they've started yet, but they're putting up some high-rise towers up there as well. But we'll talk about that one in another video. Jamaica is undergoing one of the most ambitious periods of hospital construction and healthcare modernization in its history. Across the island, new hospitals and health centers are being built, while older ones are being transformed to meet 21st century medical standards. These projects represent more than just infrastructure upgrades. They reflect Jamaica's national commitment to improving healthcare delivery, expanding access, and building a resilient health system capable of serving a growing and aging population. At the center of this transformation is the Health System Strengthening Program, a government initiative supported by the Inter-American Development Bank and the European Union. The HSSP involves the construction or renovation of 13 medical facilities, 3 hospitals, and 10 health centers across the island. Each project focuses on more than new walls and equipment. They also introduce digital systems, improve patient flow, modern laboratories, and specialized departments to enhance efficiency and quality of care. One of the flagship projects under this program is the new Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine. Construction began in January 2024 on a 6-story state-of-the-art facility valued at approximately 5.5 billion Jamaican dollars. When completed, the hospital will include advanced diagnostic technology such as MRI and CT scanners, 6 operating theaters, and specialty departments for oncology, cardiology, psychiatry, and more. The new hospital will not only relieve pressure on Kingston's facilities, but also provide modern healthcare access to hundreds of thousands of residents in Jamaica's fastest growing parish. In Western Jamaica, the Cornwall Regional Hospital rehabilitation project continues to be a major undertaking. Originally built in the 1970s, CRH faced years of structural and air quality issues that forced a near-complete closure of its main tower. The government has since embarked on a multi-billion-dollar reconstruction, transforming the hospital into a modern regional facility equipped with advanced medical technology, upgraded wards, and new staff accommodations. Though the project has experienced cost adjustments and timeline extensions, it symbolizes Jamaica's determination to preserve and strengthen one of its most important hospitals. The government has also announced plans for a brand new Kingston Public Hospital, replacing the centuries-old structure that dates back to 1776. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is identifying nearby land for the construction of a modern facility that can better serve Jamaica's capital region. This project, once fully underway, will mark one of the most significant healthcare investments in Kingston in decades. Beyond these major hospitals, Jamaica is expanding community healthcare through new and upgraded health centers. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.